Hey everyone, Brian Krupski here over at Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfort, the #1 Chevy dealership in Illinois. Today we're sitting in the back of the Colorado. We're going to be taking a look at a couple of the features that have been custom built just for the Colorado. So looking in the back here, you can see that this one's got our gear-on package, which has the cross rails in it, front and back, and then you've got your divider package right along the middle here as well. This is all adjustable. You've got 6 on each side, relocatable spots, tie-downs that you can put them into, and then you've got another 3 along the front. So you can put this one in the back of the bed, put it in the front of the bed, keep your cargo from sliding all over the place. Now, these are going to be your essential building blocks to use in any of the other features that we have. Now, Thule has come around and they've built us a couple of products. Right now on this one, you can see we've got our bike carrier. But they've also got ladder racks as well as kayak carriers, snowboard carriers. You think of it, they've got it. A couple other features with it, not done by Thule or Gear-On. We also have some pop-up campers, or not campers, but tents that go in the back of the vehicle. So you're not sleeping on the ground, but you still get that outdoorsiness. You can pop it all up on here, and it comes out actually to the end of the tailgate here, so you can put your shoes at the end. So we've also got toolboxes that go on the back of the vehicle. Fortunately, we don't have one for this one, but we've got black, and then there's the other diamond plate as well. Removable cargo tie-downs then, you've got your permanent ones along the bottom of the vehicle here, able to support 250 pounds. Your removable ones are going to be supporting 250 pounds as well, so no loss of power with those. Again, I'm Brian Krupski. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants over here at Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfort. Stop on by.